We're going to start with step one on constructing your back sack. Step one, we're going to be working on the pocket, which is the smallest piece of fabric in the kit. So you're going to get that out, and you're going to find the center of the pocket by folding it in half. So we are going to fold the pocket in half, and you're going to make sure those edges are lined up, and you're going to put a little crease down the center. You're going to open that piece of fabric back up, and then you're just going to draw a light line over top of that crease. What that line's going to do is divide your pocket. Instead of having one big pocket, it'll divide it into two smaller pockets. So we're just going to draw a light line down there, just light enough so we can see where the center of the pocket is. Next step, we are going to determine, this is step two, we're going to determine which edge of the pocket is the top. On the nylon back sacks, it doesn't matter because there's no print, but if you have one of the cotton back sacks and a fun print, pick which end, or pick which side you want the top of the back sack to be. So I am going to measure and draw a line on the wrong side 1 inch from the top of the pocket. So I'm going to flip my pocket over. I know that this is the wrong side because it's the shiny side. And I'm going to measure down 1 inch from the top edge. So I'm just going to make little marks down that length of the top of my pocket. And then I'm going to connect my dots. So there you can see I have drawn a line 1 inch from the top edge of that pocket. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold down the top edge of the pocket. So I'm folding it down a 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to roll it down another 1/2 inch. This is for a rolled hem that you're going to do on the top edge. So as I fold down the 1/2 inch, I'm going to hold it with my fingers to that line, and then I am rolling it down the other 1/2 inch. I can check those measurements with a ruler or a seam gauge to make sure that I am at the 1/2 inch line, and then I'm going to roll it and pin it as I go. Roll it, check my measurement, pin it. Top edge to the drawn line, roll it, check. Okay. Now I am ready to sew the top edge of the pocket. The last part of step 3, we're just going to sew a 1/4 inch stitch, which is right along the edge of the presser foot across the top edge of our pocket. So I am going to start my stitch, forward 3, lock my stitch, and then I'm going to take that first pin out and then just sew as straight as I can down the top edge of that pocket. Back 3 to lock my stitch, presser foot, trim my threads, and then you have the nice straight line at the top edge.